Yeah, let's start. He ain't got no car chain, that's why he won't come.
No. Richmond and Dinwiddie is open next Saturday. Alright, then don't talk to him. There you go, take a phone.
I don't race on the street, but if you, I will wait for you to come here. I will wait for you to, this is street. This is street right now, come here now. I'm done. Give him the 4-way. 7-lane for the win.
Y'all gonna stop it? Yeah, stop it all day.
All I got is cash at. 2020, he got cash at. Yeah,
I gotta have my 25.
All this on, I'm documenting.
Everything's on focus.
You gotta document it all. Yeah.
Who's getting fucked first round?
Just grab two. Just don't grab your own.
Me too.
Grab it.
Nobody fucking it up.
Not yet. Go ahead, just hand the money over here.
All right, me and Austin first.
All numbers.
What number you got? 2.
You trying to cut my head off the roof?
Golly.
You got 3. You got 3?
Golly.
Damn, fool.
Hold on, which bike is which though?
Hold on, the number might change.
Y'all first off the trailer, then we 2. 6 bikes? 6 drivers? Well, 5 drivers? Everybody here? Yeah, boom right there.
Alright, so what I do is I'll bring one of y'all at a time, bring y'all to the line, bump you in, come over here, bump you in. I'm gonna come back over here. I'll need a solid head nod. That you ready? Come back over here. Solid head nod, you ready? I'm gonna step back and bang the light. Ain't no time to how long it's gonna take. You got somebody record and start? Jump, you lose. Chase the race.
You sit there, you lose. Yeah, they lost shit. So you're saying if the other person leaves before the light comes on,
You chase them, that's a race.
JJ the Boss made it famous, man.
But if the other guy, if you know the other guy jumped, just sit there.
If you know he's going to do it,
You're on the line and he goes, and you go like that.
hey, I'm taking y'all to the white line. Right there on the white line. You move. That's it.
Man, that was hard. I don't like. This is only $20, not like $200. You know what I'm saying? I don't like you.
So
Just go.
y'all see that?
Hey, let's go. You ready?
Y'all can see that?
Oh, turn it off. It's on.
That's on.
Turn it off.
A little bit.
He know Austin